Today we are adding a playful, energetic, bouncing animation to text, and I'll show you how to fully customize it using the intensity slider and animation settings. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and add a text box. Type in your text. This can be a title, phrase, or even a call to action. Now select the text and head up to the top toolbar. Click Animate. From the text animation section, scroll and select Bounce. Immediately you'll see your text start to bounce in place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Use the intensity slider to control how strong the bounce feels. From a subtle lift to a bold, springy effect, you'll see options to animate on enter, exit, or both. This decides when the bounce effect plays. You'll also see a toggle to animate by word or by character. By character gives that jiggly, bouncy cartoon effect, while by word feels more rhythmic and structured. Finally, if you want to control the speed of the bounce, simply adjust the duration of the text layer in the timeline. And that's it. You've now added a fully customized bouncing text animation in Canva. Fun, energetic, and totally eye-catching. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Canva editing tips.